A tree fell on our house today. Waiting on the power company. We had a situation. We had a tree come down on our house. It even came inside to get warm. Yesterday we had a major windstorm throughout the state of Michigan. When I got up north, I came to this. Now we get trees down a lot, but never... Oh boy. Yeah. Thank God it didn't go through the wall. It did puncture a hole in the roof. But look at the size of this thing. That could have been a lot worse. Fell from over there. All of these probably should go before they follow suit here. See the birds there? They're asking me to feed them. I'll get to you here. One thing at a time. I have to assess this. Holy cow. Let's go see the damage inside. As you can see, I already brought in a couple things, but oh boy. You don't belong here. Oh man, look at the daylight coming in. Yep. Well, lovely. Since the power's out, I'm sitting in the truck to warm up. Hopefully it won't be too late. When I was pulling in, I knew something looked funny. Here's the top of the tree. It broke and it landed over here. So I'm going to just pull that off. And this here was already on the ground. When it fell, it took the power line with it. But we have that back up. Power company came and took care of it. I don't even know if you can see it. There it is. It's back up. As you can see, the porch light's on. Holy cow. Yeah, hopefully we can get this thing cut up and off of here and patch the hole in the roof. Keep the weather out. Keep the birds out. I don't know if you can see them, but they're all around me here wanting me to fill their feeder. Hold on, birdies. Stuffed a towel up in there to hopefully keep some of the heat in tonight. Hopefully we can get that addressed in the morning. See you then. That's the next morning. We're supposed to have somebody coming to check over the tree situation and hopefully patch the roof. He seemed pretty confident he'd be able to do it. Nice crisp morning otherwise. I'm bundled up so I'm not too cold. Had some flurries in the night. Had some flurries yesterday. But ain't gonna amount to nothing. Supposed to be back in the upper 50s next week. Or weekend. Something like that. One of the reasons is I'm here, other than getting the mail and checking on things, thank God I did. That tree situation would have been worse. One of the other reasons is I could smell a skunk out there. I can smell a skunk in here. Why do I smell a skunk in here? Well, anyway, another reason I'm here is to get some of this. I'm going to use this chair in the basement for my layout. I'm going to grab that chair. We might get that redone. Don't think I should be smelling skunk in here though. Nice kitchen chairs. They're old, but there's nothing wrong with them. No more layout B. Well, not in this house anyway. Which is good. Yeah, there's some roofing right there. Huh. Got a lot more stuff to clear out of here. Eventually we're going to knock this house down. Alright, birdies, come and get it. Yeah, I hear ya. Well, handyman came. Might be windy. Well, we cut it all up. Got a lot of firewood now. But most importantly, got it off. We patched it up. It's not pretty, but it's going to hold through the winter. And then in the spring and summer, we'll go up there with some roofing material and cover it up nice. Paint it up. It could have been worse, but thank God it's over. It's patched for now. Here's a look at it from the inside with the tree out of the hole. So we could just patch this up with a nice small board, paint it white, and then that will disappear. But could have been worse, but time for a little bit of cleanup. We're all set. I tacked this strip back up, so that looks a little better. I pushed the insulation and stuff back up in the ceiling. So next time we're here in about a month, I'll probably put a board across it and seal it up, and that should look alright. Probably then I'll finish cleaning up the couch, because I know there's going to be more debris coming down. Well, at least the tree's off the roof, the hole's fixed, keep the weather out.